If you're not using AI in your marketing, you could be leaving money on the table. Here's why. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer that can redefine your marketing strategies and outcomes. The marketing world is changing faster than ever, and artificial intelligence, or AI, is driving that change. It's not just about automation, it's about making smarter decisions and staying ahead of the competition. Before we get into the meat of this video, please do me a favor and support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking the video. Think of AI as your secret weapon, a tireless assistant that can analyze mountains of data, predict customer behavior, and personalize experiences at scale. It can handle tasks that would take humans days or even weeks to complete. Imagine this: your marketing campaigns, but supercharged with AI's brainpower. AI can help you target the right audience, craft the perfect message, and deliver it at the optimal time. That's the reality for businesses embracing this technology. They are seeing higher engagement rates, better customer satisfaction, and increased ROI. In today's digital age, customers expect personalized experiences, lightning-fast responses, and relevant content. They want to feel understood and valued. AI makes it all possible, and then some. It can even anticipate customer needs before they arise, creating a seamless and intuitive user experience. From chatbots that provide instant customer support to algorithms that predict your next big seller, AI is transforming how businesses connect with their audience. It's about building stronger, more meaningful relationships. In this beginner's guide, we'll break down the essentials of AI marketing, explore its benefits, and show you how to get started. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, AI has something to offer you. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of AI tools and strategies, let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly is AI marketing? It's a term that's been thrown around a lot lately, but what does it really mean for your business? In simple terms, it's about leveraging the power of AI to optimize your marketing campaigns and boost your return on investment, or ROI. Imagine having a tool that can sift through mountains of data in seconds, providing you with actionable insights that can transform your marketing efforts. Remember that time you spent hours crafting the perfect email campaign only to get a lukewarm response? It's frustrating, right? Well, AI can change that. AI can help you avoid those marketing mishaps by analyzing data and identifying patterns that would make a seasoned marketer jealous. It can predict customer behavior, optimize your ad spend, and even suggest the best times to send out your campaigns. AI can personalize your messaging, target the right audience at the right time, and even automate repetitive tasks. Imagine being able to send personalized messages to thousands of customers with just a few clicks. It's like having a team of marketing experts working around the clock, but without the hefty salaries and endless coffee breaks. AI doesn't need sleep, and it doesn't make mistakes due to fatigue. It's efficient, reliable, and incredibly powerful. Let's talk about chatbots, one of the most visible and versatile AI tools in marketing. Imagine this: a customer lands on your website at 3 in the morning, eager to learn more about your product. Do you A, make them wait until business hours? Or B, have a friendly chatbot answer their questions instantly? The answer is a no-brainer. Chatbots act as virtual assistants, providing instant support, answering FAQs, and even guiding customers through the sales funnel. They can handle a massive volume of inquiries simultaneously, freeing up your human team to focus on more complex tasks. Plus, chatbots can collect valuable data about customer preferences and pain points, which you can then use to refine your marketing strategies. Remember that time you wished you could predict the future of your marketing campaigns? Well, with AI-powered predictive analytics, you can get pretty darn close. Predictive analytics uses historical data, machine learning algorithms, and statistical techniques to forecast future outcomes. This means you can predict which leads are most likely to convert, identify potential churn risks before they happen, and even optimize your pricing strategies. Imagine knowing which products will be bestsellers before they even hit the shelves. Predictive analytics gives you the insights to make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Section 5. Personalization Power-Up: Tailoring Experiences with AI. In today's world of information overload, generic marketing messages simply won't cut it. Customers crave personalized experiences that cater to their unique needs and preferences. That's where AI comes in, armed with its personalization superpowers. Remember those creepy targeted ads that seem to follow you around the internet? AI is the mastermind behind those. But don't worry, personalization doesn't have to be creepy. In fact, when done right, it can enhance the customer experience and build stronger relationships. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of customer data to create detailed customer profiles, segment your audience, and deliver highly relevant content, offers, and recommendations. Section 6. AI automation, freeing you from mundane marketing tasks. Let's face it, marketing involves a lot of repetitive tasks. From scheduling social media posts to sending out email blasts, these tasks can eat up valuable time that you could be spending on more strategic initiatives. AI automation to the rescue. AI can automate these repetitive tasks, freeing up your time and resources so you can focus on the big picture. Imagine, no more late nights spent scheduling social media posts or manually sending out email campaigns. AI can handle it all for you, efficiently and effectively. But it doesn't stop there. We'll dive deeper into the world of AI automation and explore how it can revolutionize your marketing workflow. Section 7. Must-have AI tools for savvy marketers. Now that you're familiar with the superpowers of AI marketing, let's talk tools. There's a whole suite of AI-powered tools designed to streamline your marketing efforts and boost your ROI. From social media management platforms to content creation tools, there's an AI solution for every marketing need. We'll explore some of the most popular and effective AI tools available, discussing their features, benefits, and how you can integrate them into your marketing arsenal. Get ready to discover your new favorite marketing sidekicks. Stay tuned as we unlock the treasure chest of AI tools. Section 8. The AI learning curve. Don't be afraid to dive in. We get it. AI can seem intimidating at first. The sheer volume of information and the rapid pace of technological advancements can make anyone feel a bit lost. With all the technical jargon and complex algorithms, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Terms like machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning can sound like a foreign language. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a data scientist or AI expert to leverage the power of AI in your marketing. You can start with the basics and gradually build your knowledge. There are tons of user-friendly AI tools and resources available that make it easy for even the most tech-challenged marketers to get started. Online tutorials, webinars, and community forums can be incredibly helpful. The key is to start small, experiment with different tools and strategies, and learn as you go. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Embrace the learning curve. It's all part of the exciting journey of AI marketing. Celebrate small victories and keep pushing forward. Remember, even the most advanced AI algorithms started with a single line of code. Your journey begins with the first step, so dive in and explore the possibilities. Section 9. AI, your ticket to marketing supremacy. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for marketing success. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's the present and future of marketing. By embracing AI, you're not just adopting a new technology, you're gaining a competitive edge. Imagine outsmarting your competitors, delivering exceptional customer experiences, and achieving unprecedented marketing ROI. That's the power of AI. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI marketing and unlock your brand's true potential. Remember, the future of marketing is here, and it's powered by AI.